Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I've decided to host a dough fruit giveaway. If this video reaches 50 likes, 200 views, and at least 10 comments, I will be hosting this on January 10th. Okay? Now, I'm also going to be doing a blizzard showcase because, it's New Year's Eve, it's getting into the cold season, and blizzard's it's a perfect fruit for this weather. So the first move, it's called Snowflake Shuriken. You tap it, it's going to throw 2 shurikens. But if you hold it, like so, it's going to throw like at least 8 or 6 or whatever. And then white out the X ability. It's going to be able to stun your enemies, fling them up in the air, and just do a lot of good damage and just nice stun. And also with some knockback, which can help in some troubling situations. Howling Wind is pretty similar, but it only keeps your enemy at one place and doesn't move them around a lot. So it's a little bit easier for combos. Next ability, Tornado Flight, probably is the main reason why people buy Blizzard Fruit, like me. Because of just the really good grinding capability of this move. Kinda like Mammoth's F ability, but just a little bit more like you can just fly with it, yes. Just go like that. Now next is gonna be the V ability, Blizzard Domain. It'll also do constant tick damage, who's ever in this domain. Honestly, it's pretty good if you use this ability because it's kind of guaranteed to do damage. And yeah. So, honestly, my whole review of this route, pretty good. A little pricey. But overall, I think it's a little bit worth getting. Also, reminder, hosting a dough fruit giveaway if this video gets 50 likes and 200 views. And also comment down your Roblox username and your favorite part of this video to also have a chance to enter away in this giveaway. Also, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be gifting away a permanent Buddha. Permanent Buddha, in my opinion, might be by far one of the best permanent fruits out there right now. Yizin's also up there, but Kitsune is $50, so that's a little pricey. Okay guys, see you in the next video.